Here we go again. More troubles coming. We knew this was going to happen. Check this out. From Yahoo Finance, U.S. gas prices are surging to their highest level since October 2022, and economists are warning of an inflation smile. We'll talk about that inflation smile in a minute. That alone can be catastrophic, but let's go ahead and look at the gas problem. U.S. gas prices are on the rise again, stoking concerns that it could fuel inflation. Average gallon gas traded $3.89 right now, highest level since October of last year. And the surge in gas price comes amid rising oil prices, largely spurred by supply cost as key producers, including Saudi Arabia and Russia, and both benchmark Brent crude and West Texas Intermediate are currently trading upwards of $80 a barrel. Other factors fueling this worry include the still high core inflation rate and, related to that, the possibility that the process of goods disinflation may end before service sector inflation is well under control. And he notes inflation has fallen from the 40-year high it hit in mid-2022, rising at 3% through June. That followed the Fed's aggressive interest rate hikes since early last year. And I will tell you from what I see, inflation is not going down. It is still going up as they're claiming, but 3%, no way. We're still seeing ridiculously high prices on so many goods, and the inflation is pushing up even higher. Okay, let's talk about that smile. And the last thing the economist said is this is why people are worried about an inflation smile. Looking at this chart, as far as inflation rates go, you'll see I have times where inflation's not so high and sometimes it's really high. Of course, in the dotted line here, this is actually taking place before 2021, 2022, but we saw incredibly high inflation rates here, and they're saying it's gone back down. But this little curve right here is showing us what's in store for our near future. So let's pretend this is where we're at right now in 2023. No way it's at 2%, but either way, we're expected to see inflation going back up again coming this fall, or perhaps next year. Either way, I have so many people saying right now, these are not preppers, mind you, but people saying, oh, this is so nice. Things are actually returning back to normal, which, by the way, will never happen. We're never going to go back to another normal at all. Instead, what we're seeing is this is the calm before the storm, and we're going to see inflation going up, but even more so because of this. We're seeing gas prices going up also. We could easily see before the summer's up over $4 a gallon. And I know a lot of places in the country, it's already over $4 a gallon. For you, it's probably going to go up to $5. Definitely some concerns and worries, especially when we see things coming in as far as harvest goes and more price hikes in the grocery store and possibly shortages too. Put in the comments below, have you seen any of this already? I know our gas prices here in Michigan have already gone up. Thanks for watching.